I need everybody's undivided attention, please. Right? Are you with me so far? Energy is not there. Still energy is not there. Yes, sir. Yes. Let me start the presentation by acknowledging that please silence. Hello. Thank you. Hello. Achha, can you do like this? Everyone. Please. Everyone. Do like this. Thank you. So let me just start acknowledging by the caring father Dr. Sundar Reddy Sir Garu, Baronet Dr. Bharat Prasad, calm, knowledgeable, Srinivasa Vijayartha. I must tell you, the people are lucky that you are having their time over this. And amazingly, always a very good God. Okay? So let's clap for that. Once again, let's clap for that. Now, take your right hand. Like this. Okay? Do like this. Slap it. Yeah, something wonderful. Yes, something wonderful. Yes. Yes, something wonderful. Like this. Do like this. Yes, something wonderful. Then the person which is beside you, the same that one also. Yes, okay. So can you start now? Are you ready? Are you ready? So, next few minutes I am going to go with you. Again, skills needed for success. Okay. I would like to have the interactive session, right? So, in your opinion, sorry sir. Okay, so what is your opinion is required to be successful? What is required in your opinion to be successful? Education, okay. आज से आगे बात करो, डेडिकेशन एजुकेशन बन जाता है. हार्ड वर्क, ओके. हैप्पीनेस, हार्ड वर्क. पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, ओके. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, ओके. हाँ. Consistency, okay. Knowledge, wonderful. Okay, I'm coming to this, okay. So actually, for the skills, we need the domain knowledge. What is domain knowledge? The subject which you are reading, right? You are reading BBA, MBA, right? Somebody is studying engineering, somebody medical, something else, right? So that is the domain knowledge, right? So means there has to be subject matter expert, right? They should have a very good knowledgeable, right? Is it required? Right? Then technical accuracy. Something is being asked. Are they aware of it? Do they know that technical details? Right? Is it required or not? Right. Next. Quality experience. The person is having the quality experience or not. I need undivided attention, please. No cross talk. Thank you. We need quality experience. I am telling you, the moment the thing which you are going to get, you are not going to get anywhere else. I claim it. Okay? Please do not take this presentation as granted. I'm telling you. Okay? Quality experience. Next. Good memory, sharp and quick mind. Any problem which is coming, are you able to resolve? Because of your domain knowledge. Are you able to resolve it? Right? Any kind of questions is coming. Right? You are in any kind of competitive exam. Are you able to recall them or not? If any problem is coming, are you able to recall it or not? Right? Okay? Then learning ability. Whatever is given, are you able to learn it also or not? Okay? Next, able to accept knowledge. That is also required. So this is called domain knowledge, subject matter. What is subject which you are adding, how much you are having. Another one, soft skills. Digital recently told. Okay? Interpersonal skills. Is it required? Yes? Okay. Plenty of thoughts. Is it required? Yes or no? Next, confidence and decision making. Do I know the subject? But may I have the confidence? May I take a decision? Right? Right or wrong? Ability to handle stress. May I work under stress conditions or not? Please go cross talks. May I able to handle may I able to work under stress? India Pakistan match is going on. Still I am able to make the 6 of mark. Right or wrong? Okay? Positivity. Somebody come from that side. Team spirit. Right? Required or not? So we need 2 things. Domain knowledge and soft skills. In your opinion, how much of domain knowledge is required and how much of the soft skills is required? Tell me. How much percentage of the domain knowledge and how much percentage of the soft skills is required? Tell me. What is your answer? 50-50, 30 is 30 domain knowledge. 60% domain knowledge and 40%. Any other number? 70% domain knowledge, right? 110%. Zero domain knowledge, 100% food. Zero domain knowledge and my goodness, you will next teacher again. 40-60. Okay, right. Okay, let me tell you the answer. How many of us heard that wonderful universities there in the whole world? It is coming in the top 3 universities. Stanford universities. Has anybody heard the name? Right? This question was asked from the 10,000 extremely successful persons. This was asked from the extremely successful persons. Okay? You know what the result came out? The result came out this. 12.5% of domain knowledge and 87.5% of soft skills. Domain knowledge is required, but it is only 12.5, not more than that. Soft skills required 87.5%. But what our education system, what our just now Srinivasa also did this one. Our whole education system is basically based on this. 93% of the domain knowledge and 7% of the soft skills. Time, effort, money, everything we are putting on the domain knowledge. Only 7% is there. Okay? And you might be knowing this. Who has listened the name of the Infosys company? Thank God. Okay. This Narayan Modi, around 6 to 7 years back, hello, 6 to 7 years back, he has appointed top 10 CAs, top 10 chartered accountants into his company. Whatever the offer they want, he gave it. Top 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 positions. Come to Infosys, join it. Whatever you want, I will give it to you. He gave it. Within 6 months, he fired 6 CAs. Because they don't know how to work with a team. They don't know how to handle the stress. There is no positive approach. 6 were, they were perfect with the common knowledge, yes or no? Because they are the rankers, top rankers throughout India. Within 6 months, 6 were fired. This is what is happening. The common knowledge is required, but only 12.5%, nothing more than that. That is what is there. That is what I will do. Okay? And one more thing is also here. Our education in India is basically emphasizing what? IQ and EQ. We used to listen this kind of work from our parents. IQ, EQ. What is IQ? Intelligence quotient. What is EQ? Emotional quotient. Yes. Can anybody tell me what is EQ? What is EQ? EQ is required or not? Or all IQ is required? Then what is EQ? EQ is required, but what is EQ? Passion. If you have passion, you have the emotion, you have the target, the commitment is there, that is EQ. Right? Whereas I am going to make 100 once into this test. That is EQ. Okay? I am going to pass this test by anyone. That is EQ. Passion. Okay, and one more, there is surveys there, PISA and ISA. These are the survey. Hello, I need everyone please do like this. Once again everyone do like this. Please.
Guys, please concentrate. These are very important concepts.
PISA and ISA, those are survey report. They have done the survey of the 74 countries. Is our education is employable or not? Is the education is employable or not? India is also there. We are very proud that India out of 74 countries stood second from last. Second from last. We are so much proud, right? That is our education system. India is having the highly educated unemployment. And don't worry friends, all of us are able to background. I am telling you, I am sensitizing you. Whether you believe it or not, but this is the reality. Once you come out of this eggshell, this is called egg. This college is a right, it is protecting you. The moment you come out, you will see the clear, cruel world. Real cruel world. Okay? There is a very beautiful point is there. Oh, this is a very good act. This world is so wide. The bird was into egg. The bird is so beautiful. This world is so beautiful. This world is so wide. Finally, the bird has come out of the egg. No, that was not my world. This nest is my world. These are my brothers and sisters. This is my world. Finally, that bird came out of the nest. No, that nest is not that world. This tree is my world. So many nests is also there. And finally, the bird says, no, that tree is also not my world. The world is beyond my imagination. That is what is going to happen. Okay? So actually, what we require is 4 things. What is this? IQ, SQ and AQ. What is SQ? Anybody heard about this? Anyone? Hello sir. Do you know what is SQ? Social quotient. Social quotient. Right? And what is EQ? EQ is emotional quotient, IQ is intelligent quotient, SQ is social quotient. You can see the circle, the size of the circle, that much is required. What is EQ? Adversity quotient. In the adverse situations, are you able to sustain? Are you a game changer? That is going to happen. That is what everyone is demanding. At home also, at profession also. whether you believe this or not, but this is what is happening. This is what is required. And what is the reality? Monthly unemployment rate is how much? Check this. 23.14%. Okay? Reality is this. During COVID time, yes, it was highest. But my dear friend, once again it is rising. Unemployment rate is still rising. Okay? You can check the last 11.9%. Good news is this. Glad for this. Because NPA is the most employable generation. This is what is basically become the need of world. Why? How? This is good news. Right? Employable across domains. Anything is there. Other hospitals were there, right? Let me tell you one example. Other hospitals were there to run the hospitals, only doctors are required. Right or wrong? Right? But nowadays, what they are demanding, MPAs, move on the resourceful. Anywhere vaccination is required, for that any doctor is required? No. MPA. That is what we are realizing now. You are a doctor, you need not get it. Patient will come and will do it. But how the patient will come, that is that. Okay? This is what I will tell you. Okay? But challenging future is this. Once again, anyhow, unemployment is rising. If you are not going to upbring our skills, if you are not going to think our own perceptions, okay? Yeah, that's all there. Okay. So, but still, no one is perfect. Can you tell me how many mistakes are there in India? How many mistakes are there? Capital, okay. And full stop is not there, okay. Perfect is पहले thank you. Right. ठीक है? Okay. So luck. We are coming to luck now. Where I am lucky, I am unlucky. Hello. Okay. What it said. Luck is not a random. It's a science. Is it becoming boring session now? हो रहा बोरिंग हो रहा? या फिर करेंगे दोबारा से? हाँ चलो तो कल भी करो दोबारा से। Just copy. You already draw, I think my already presentation is over. So lucky people take action and action puts them where luck can find them. Right? Unlucky people suffer from that analysis paralysis. मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मुझे हुआ, मैं independently, blindly. Oh my goodness, that person is so lucky. Somebody is referring them, everybody is behind me. Happens or not? Right now, lucky people expect good things to happen. They believe and face positive attitude again. Right? Even in face of a hardship. Good example, August birthday. Right? And lucky people remind themselves that tough times are temporary and take to reduce the likelihood of the more bad luck in the future. Yeah? Right. So how to be lucky? Now the presentation is going to the next level. Please. My presentation is going to the next level. If you are not ready till now, focus here. How to be lucky? Who wants to be lucky? Raise your hands. Nobody tell me. You don't want to do who wants to do a better job? No one wants to do a better job. This is also a job or not? Right? Yes. This is also a job, right? Okay. So what to do now? Okay, suppose if you are looking for this one, major step to get a better job. If you are applying for a job, okay? Because to set up a system, you know that for the startup also, that is survey report is there, around 82% startups got failed. 82% startup got failed. How many of us gone to this high-tech exhibition center? High-tech exhibition center has anybody gone? So many startups used to come there every year with their new ideas. Are they sustaining? Are you seeing them next year also? They are coming with very much brilliant ideas. But there are so many challenges out there. Okay? Right? So, suppose just now Ganesh also told me that he is also his faculty here, but he has own two businesses. Right? So, entrepreneur doesn't mean that he doesn't want to do job. Right? Yeah. There are some doing job, right? So whenever we are going to do job, we need to do this. CV submission and interview fixing. Right? Okay? Okay. Now tell me, who is this? Okay. Now this one is better. Which one is better? Right? Okay. Now which is better? Left hand side or right hand side? Which one is better? Okay. Now I am coming to the reality. Why I am showing you this? Why I am showing you? Why I am showing you this? People are just applying their CV as such. When we are scrutinizing CVs for the candidates, we are finding the CV very much poor format. Another example is this. Another example is this. What exactly is happening is this. There are so many spelling mistakes, tender grammar mistakes. With that, do you think so that you will do job or business also? In that words, poor format, too much or too little content, missing understanding achievement, unprofessional and incompatible email IDs. How? One of the person was there whose name was not Debuka. Okay? But she shared the email ID year 2020 at gmail.com. Is it matching? What HR can assume? Tomorrow I need to send the mail. Did I send the mail to that Debuka or not? Right or wrong? That is also happening. This is, I am telling you, this is happening. Okay? And sending same CV for the job profiles. And so on and so on. So what exactly we need? Like our previous one. We need a makeup person. We need a beautician. Right? Who can really forward our CV. Right? So when they take the help of the seniors or colleagues, right? But still, if there is a long way to go, okay? Then what is happening in the interview? We are finding so many persons one of the person that candidate was passed out from the Aurora Degree College, 89%. And to the PG, 77%. Just ask simple question, please introduce yourself. Tell me something about yourself. Not able to okay? Rigid body language, when we are asking something. Not able to express. This happening, this happens. Nothing wrong with the candidates. It happens because of the tension, because of the stress. Okay? Lying, cheating also on an interview. How come cheating? Another person also there, opposite side. Do you think so the interviewer who is taking your interview is then? He is no observation. But you can say no, I am so smart, sir, don't worry. But they are playing with the career. False evidence, so many yes, unnecessary yes. Yes. Unsupervised supply. What are the questions we are answering? That first question we are answering after the third question. For the third question. That other persons are asking, how come we are going to select this candidate? This person has some kind of understanding problem. I am telling you. Just a few minutes before we were discussing the same topic. People are getting job, but there is a compromise job. At what time they will sustain, nobody can tell, including them. And if they live in the stress, they learn here and there. Okay? So for that interview, what you need one director, you need one mentor. Okay? So for that thing already understand from this one that when the startup is here, they are going to start in 3 days. So that detail I will share with the Srinivas sir or father, right? So they can also groom you. Okay? Is very much required. Do not come to competition world without any preparation. Competition is a war of you with competitors. Competition is an open war. Okay? That's what we are doing. So now you are ready. After that, once you are done, then you can go through. Then your unsuccessful rate will be gone down. Otherwise, try. Okay. You know, because of that, what is happening? So many candidates, so many times, because they just lost an opportunity in the good company. 5 companies have come, first company is good, second company is one lower, third one lower. But into the first interview, their performance was not up to the mark. They were selected in the 5th company. Right? And sometimes it happens, you might be seeing that some of the seniors may got selected, good seniors, didn't get a job within the good companies. Yes or no? But some candidate who was, you were not expected, how come you got selected in that company? Happens or not? What is the reason? Preparation. In Daspa. Yes. Because they prepared again luck. Luck favors who are prepared. That's the message. Okay. That's all from my side. Thank you. Any other question? Somebody want to ask? How was the presentation? कैसा लगा? Okay. So come to this world with more preparedness. Okay, do not jump into simple. If you don't know, if you do not know simple, what is going to happen? Yes. But here we are not going to swim, here we are going to fly. Okay. Still, again, I want to tell you that there is one. I want to end with one small poem that I think I don't know whether you read it or not. तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले. If you move, India moves. If you move, India moves. लगाओ हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकला करे, हथेली में भरे धूप और उजाला करे. उफक पे पाँव रखो, उफक पे पाँव रखो, चलो अकड़ के चलो. Means you just keep your foot on the problems and then walk in the style. Right? फकर पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो. तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले. If you move, then India moves. जय हिंद. Yes, any question? Any kind of silly question, no question, just silly question. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Actually, no, because this is not the problem of your psychological factors, it's a problem of your age group. You don't know age and needs of the life, you know how to spend the money, but you don't know how to earn the hard money. That's the reason you are shouting or making noise and all. But definitely what Sir said, college is the egg. Understand? College is an egg, which is protecting you. Once you go outside, definitely you are going to face the cruel what Sir said, loudly to myself. What he said, absolutely I agree with this. Seriously, I just appreciate, I enjoyed the session. What is spoke, you know, we dragged the much this particular session, frankly understand. But generally, same 4-5 slides, most of the people will drag it to 3-4 hours also, 2 hours also. But Sir focused on the point. Exactly, he started at 11:45, he ended at 12:15. 30 minutes, he completed the entire presentation. But I don't know how many students really enjoyed, but what he spoke is absolutely, these are all true. Once you go outside, lot of problems, internal politics, boss pressure, health issues, family issues, traveling issues, financial issues, lot of problems you're going to face. You may be thinking that even I can shout more than you guys. But I'm an elderly guy, I'm 41 years, I have a dependence, certain factors which is making, dragging back to behave properly. It's a responsibility. Whoever feels as a responsibility for their career, definitely will shine in the life. So seriously, what Sir said, EQ, IQ, SQ, all these are very, very important. Company, no one will ask product, place, price, promotion. They'll ask how can you sell this? How you're going to sell this particular product to retired people. It's a challenging. It's skill of selling. It's no whatever is written by the Philip Kotler 30 years back that you cannot vomit. Ultimately what happened, I need a profit. I'm a business making company, you need to understand the customer, his personal factors, cultural, social, psychological factors. According to your design strategy, you have to sell. So seriously, these kind of sessions are really very important, my dear friends. I know that, it's not your problem, it's your age problem. Because if you have done an internship, serious internship, a practical internship of 3 years or 6 years, 6 months, 3 months or 6 months, definitely I could see there is a change in your attitude. But unexpectedly what happened, you have done internship online during the COVID lockdown. So because of that, you don't know what is an working environment, what are the relations, what are the interactions, what is supporting. Because of that reason, what happened, most of the final year students, still you need to change your attitude, you need to modify. Otherwise you cannot fit into any job. Because of this reason, last night I heard one of the, it's a great session by T. Muralidharan, TMI Group CEO. He frequently visited our campus also earlier days. I called him for the international national conference, one of the resource person. He gave a beautiful concept, why people want to leave the job, why people think, why they are in the wrong positions in the wrong places. Excellent concept, he gave all the problems whatever you are facing right now as a student. But really, the session is wonderful. I feel that this sir is really is subject to the point. So what he spoke, that is correct. In practice, at least not 100%, 20% at least you can concentrate. You please go through NDTV, TLC channel, all the news channels, read. See, as a faculty, I want to teach you something. Yesterday I read one of the concepts called L'Oreal. L'Oreal is one of the international companies, they want to push the sales. 80% of the women in India is facing the sexual harassment at the work jobs and the streets. So standing out India, they launched the website where they want to give the training to all the urban women how to face this kind of the situation. Beautiful societal marketing concept, exploring the new things. So all these things you need to, you can update your knowledge only through magazines, you understand, newspapers, blogs, you understand, forums. You can't get it from only from the textbooks. Now again, you will learn most of the time, 80% of the knowledge you will get from the experienced faculties. You understand? That is what is very, very important. I really appreciate for you guys sitting, from the last 1 hour for this particular wonderful session. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Harshita to give a word of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all. On behalf of St. Joseph Degree and PG College, firstly I would like to thank all my